guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to teach you and I'm going to provide a step-by-step process to how to achieve a reverse wing eyeliner look or reverse cat eyeliner look. So this video is going to be a proper guide to achieve a reverse wing eyeliner look, and this look is so trending nowadays, and festive season is best to create this eyeliner look because kajal is something that never goes out of fashion, and this look requires a lot of kajal, as you can see. So without wasting any time, let's get into this video quickly. Before we start eye makeup, I'm going to complete my face makeup, and for that I'm going to start with a small skincare routine, and after that I'm going to start with the base makeup, in which I'm going to apply foundation and concealer and also complete with blush, and after that we are going to start with reverse wing eyeliner. For my skincare routine, I'm going to use these two products. First is the serum from Satin GSC, and other one is this moisturizer from Pond's. It's their gel moisturizer, which I really like, and it is good for my oily type skin. Alright, so first I'm going to start with applying this serum. I'm just going to take few drops of the serum and apply it on my face. And after the serum absorbs well into my skin, I'm going to start applying that moisturizer. Alright, the products which I'm using in this video will be mentioned in description box with its link, so you can definitely purchase this product from those links. So before I start applying my foundation and concealer, I'm going to just fix my eyebrows, and for that I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil from Miss Claire. So this is my really old eyebrow pencil which I really like to use all the time, and I'm going to just fill my eyebrows with this eyebrow pencil. And after filling, I'm just going to brush my eyebrows. I'm not going to define my eyebrows a lot, just simple filling and brushing process. Alright, for foundation and concealer, I'm going to use these two products. The foundation is from Nykaa, and it's their Skin Genius foundation in shade True Tan, and for concealer I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty liquid concealer, and in this my shade is Warm Sand. So first I'm going to apply my foundation in dots. So for that I'm going to take little bit quantity of foundation on back of my hand, and then I'm going to apply it on my face like this in dots. And after this I'm going to blend the foundation with help of this blending brush, foundation brush actually. And after this is completed, the foundation process, then I'm going to apply my concealer. So now I'm going to use this concealer, and okay, my concealer is broken right now, as you can see. It just broke. Alright, so still we are going to conceal, and for concealing I'm going to apply this concealer on my under eyes, over my eyelids, and a little bit pigmentation is there near my mouth, area near my mouth, and I'm going to conceal over there. Again I'm going to blend this concealer with the same brush. So to set my base makeup, I'm going to use this Fit Me powder, compact powder from Maybelline, and the shade is 330. Okay, so as you can see, this powder is almost over, but still I really like to use this, and at least I get a little bit quantity, and that's good to go to use, at least to just set my makeup. So I'm going to set my under eyes and area over my eyelids with this powder, and also area near my mouth and the T-zone area where it usually gets oily. So for the blush, blush, I'm going to use this liquid lipstick from Lakme, and the shade is 201 Pink Footprint. Okay, so this is my really favorite liquid lipstick packs, in which you can multi-use your lipsticks. And again, this is the same lipstick that I'm going to apply on lips as well in today's video. So I'm just going to take very less quantity of this lipstick, and I'm going to apply it, and I'm spreading this lipstick with help of my fingers, and I'm gently dabbing this shade. As you can see, I'm just taking a little quantity of it and then dabbing it with help of my fingers. And do repeat this process of applying a little quantity of lipstick on your face and dabbing until you get your required intensity of blush. The base makeup is complete. Now we are moving on to our eye makeup, and for that, first I'm going to start with this eyeshadow palette. This is from Sugar Cosmetics, and the shade is 02 Warrior, and this is how the colors of this eyeshadow look. Okay, so I'm going to select this wait, I'll just show this medium brown shade from this eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. And this is just a base color for my eyeshadow, for my eye makeup, sorry. And I'm just going to apply it like this with the help of my brush, and you are done. Okay, so in today's video, we are not going to focus any eye makeup on eyelids. It's just going to happen on my lower lash line. Okay. So for eyelids part, this is the only thing that we have to do. Now let's start with our reverse cat eyeliner, reverse eyeliner, whatever you want to say. Look. Guys, now I'm going to tell you which things are mandatory to do this eye look and which are optional and that can be skipped. So the mandatory thing is kajal, and today I'm going to use this kajal from Sugar Cosmetics, and the name of the kajal is Twist and Shout Fade Proof Kajal in shade 01 Black. And not so compulsory option is these two things, that is this eyeliner, and we require this black eyeshadow. These are not these are optional things that create this eye look, but kajal is mandatory. You can use any kajal, eyeliner or black eyeshadow of your choice from any brand which you have or you would prefer. So for starting, we are going to first fill our waterline with kajal, and afterwards I'll show you what I'm going to do. While applying this kajal on my waterline, I'm also slightly applying this kajal on my lower lash line to give that smoky effect. Alright, so this is done. Now to create a proper wing at the end of this kajal, I'm going to use this eyeliner from Sugar Cosmetics, and the name of this eyeliner is Arrested for Overstay Waterproof Eyeliner in shade 01 IB Black. Okay, so sometimes it's really difficult to create a proper wing with help of kajal, but if you have gel liner or if you have the small thin brush to apply kajal or gel liner, then it will be really easy for you to just use that one product and skip this eyeliner. If you don't have any gel eyeliner or brush, thin brush, then you can definitely go for kajal and this eyeliner. You can use any eyeliner of any choice of any brand, but I usually prefer to use this pen type of eyeliner to create a proper wing eyeliner look, because it's really easy to use and create eyeliner because of its applicator. So I'm just drawing a wing in outward direction. And this is done. So if the wing is not pointy like this, even this is not that pointy, we can definitely fix this with help of some concealer. So what you have to do is take a little quantity of concealer and take thinnest brush that you have and then apply concealer, like conceal your eyeliner over here so that you can get a exact sharp wing eyeliner. So this is how I'm concealing, trying to make this wing look sharp. It looks much better than before. So moving on to the other optional step, that is applying black eyeshadow on lower lash line, and this is for those who don't have waterproof kajal or eyeliner, so that it won't smudge and will stay for a longer duration. And how you're going to do this, you have to take a little bit quantity of so how you can do is, you can take little bit quantity of your eyeshadow with help of a small brush and then just dab it on your kajal on your lower lash line. Don't apply it on your waterline. Apparently my camera didn't record the part where I was applying lipstick. So for lipstick I have used these two lipstick. One lipstick is from Lakme, and this lipstick was the same which I have applied for blush, used for blush. And this is the another lipstick from Sure Cosmetics, and the shade is Caffeine Bandit. This lipstick is a brown shade lipstick, and what I have done over here is I have outlined my lips with this lipstick and then filled my lip with this lip color. Alright, so this is what I have done for my lips part, and at last I'm going to apply this mascara, and this mascara is from Sure Cosmetics, and the name of this mascara is Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara in shade 01 Black Beauty. And I'm going to complete my eye makeup with applying this mascara on my lashes. I'm going to apply on my upper and lower lashes. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video and must have found this video helpful. If you did find this video helpful, do let me know through your comments, because I read every comments and I reply back on all of them, all of your comments. If you do have any suggestions or requests for any kind of video, do let me know through comment section below. I will do reply and try to create that content for you guys. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified every time when I post a new video. So guys, I'll see you in next video. Till then, bye, take care, and thanks for watching.